and Lulu Tots! Yay! Learn and laugh and play all day. Clap your hands, shout hooray! Zuzu and Lulu Tots! Hey! Hooray! Zuzu and Lulu Tots!
Now let's learn about dots.
Dots.
Now let's learn how to draw a standing line.
Standing line.
Now let's learn how to draw a sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Now let's learn how to draw a slanting line.
Right slanting line. Left slanting line.
Now let's learn how to draw curve lines.
Left curve. Up curve. Down curve. Right curve.
Now let's learn how to draw zigzag lines.
Zigzag line.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.